Hello everyone, welcome to Techie Dialogue. Today we will learn how to use Gradient tool in Illustrator in a simple and easy way. This video will help you apply smooth color transitions to your designs and make them look more professional. Step 1. Start by opening Adobe Illustrator and creating a new document or opening an existing design, because gradients can only be applied to selected objects. Use tools like the rectangle or shape tool from the left toolbar to draw an object where the gradient will be applied. Step 2. Select the object you created and go to the right side panels to find the gradient panel, which is usually grouped with color options. This panel is important because it controls how colors blend smoothly from one shade to another. Step 3. Click on the gradient option to apply a default gradient to your object, and you will immediately see the color transition. You can choose between linear, radial, or freeform gradients depending on the effect you want to create. Step 4. Adjust the gradient colors by clicking on the color stops located below the gradient slider, and change colors using the color picker. This step helps you fine-tune the look and control how strong or soft the color transition appears. Step 5. Use the gradient tool from the toolbar to drag across the object and control the direction and angle of the gradient. This is important because it lets you position the gradient exactly how you want for a balanced and visually appealing design. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more easy and useful design tutorials.